southeast to 10 miles per hour. Spotters are reporting a large tornado with debris. Take cover immediately. The tornado will be near Weatherford around 8 p.m. This will impact Interstate 20 between mile markers 396 and 413. A tornado has been confirmed. This is an extremely dangerous and life-threatening situation. If you are in the path of this destructive tornado, take cover immediately. The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Monte County in north-central Texas, northern Wise County in north-central Texas, until 8:15 p.m. At 7:13 p.m., storm spotters and Doppler radar observed the tornado 6 miles northwest of Albert, moving east at 25 miles per hour. The tornado will be near Albert around 7:25 p.m., Forestburg around 7:30 p.m., Decatur around 7:45 p.m. Move to an interior bathroom, closet, or hallway on the lowest floor of your building. Cover yourself with blankets, pillows, or mattress for protection.